Here's a quick video on a couple tips on changing the grooving wheels on the hydraulic groover that we have. On the lower spindle, you have to remove that first. You'll see a 0 above the 2 to 6. That indicates the bigger side of a tapered pin that must be driven out in order to change it. So naturally drive it out from the other side, otherwise you'll never get it out. You'll just make it tighter and tighter. Here is a 8 to 12 inner spindle. You'll see the 0 at the top there, and it indicates which side's the bigger of the two. Just looking at them, you can't really tell. It's just, you know, fractions of an inch bigger. Once you drive that out and pull the lower one out, there's suction on it. It's machined so tightly that there's a vacuum behind it. It feels like a spring, but you just slowly pull on it and it'll come out. If you pull it real hard, it just snaps back. You feel like it's a spring, but it's really just a suction back there. You slowly let it come out and it'll come out. Then when you get the bottom one out, you'll see the top one has a line in it. That indicates there's a different spindle. See the line? There's a little indentation there where a set screw goes in, and it's imperative that that set screw goes in that dimple, because if it goes on the surface here, it will mar it up, and it's real hard to get out because, like I said, it's machined real close. And once you, like I said, that line shows where the 5/32 Allen screw is. There is the wheel, when it'll show you where that set screw is. You loosen that up from underneath, you pull this out, and the wheel will just come out, and then you put the other wheel in for whichever one you want, and you put it back in reverse order. But make sure that that Allen screw goes in there in that dimple, and make sure that tapered pin goes back in the correct direction. And of course, reassembly, you want to put the small end in first. Duh.